What is KVM in VPS hosting? VPS hosting is a very popular next-level hosting solution for websites looking to move up from shared hosting. It is fast, secure, scalable, and offers full value for money with powerful features. Let us take a closer look at VPS hosting and understand what role KVM plays. What is KVM? A VPS is possible due to virtualization, which can be achieved by a software called hypervisor. The hypervisor creates separate virtual servers where all servers are independent of each other. KVM stands for Kernel-Based Virtual Machine, and it is a virtualization technology built into Linux kernel. It allows running a kernel on the root node, making it possible to run other operating systems. The role of KVM in VPS hosting. When KVM installs on a new server, it acts as a virtualization level of that system. The kernel itself acts as a second hypervisor since the guest server carries its own kernel. It enables the host machine to manage multiple virtual guest machines while keeping each one separate. It gives the server admin the freedom to allocate resources based on an application's requirements. KVM ensures a fair distribution of shared system resources like storage, CPU time and network I/O. It can run a 32-bit guest on a 64-bit host, thus ensuring that old systems can also run smoothly. HostGator's VPS hosting features fast SSD storage with an integrated cPanel and near-instant provisioning. It allows custom configurations and enhanced security with full root access and full 24/7 support.